All right. Good afternoon, good day, good evening, whatever time you're seeing this. I'm just greeting you. Hope you're wonderful. You're having a wonderful time. So we had like the bootcamp kickoff some days back, but I see that a couple of people are joining us since the time we started the bootcamp, and I felt that to not save anybody's time to sync up every time to like say the same thing over, um, and most especially for you. So this recording is to get you started if you did not attend any of the former early events, and also to like clarify some things as regards what's expected of you. Okay, so uh, my name is Joshua. My name is Joshua. I am one of the captains in the AWS community cloud club for Lawrence. So I'm just say that I'm doing this officially. All right, so the boot camp side a while back, and this is the major. This is what you need to know. This is where everything is going to happen. This AWS. It's a website that is like a core platform. From the name SkillBuilder, you should understand. And so, in case you did not see any of the text we sent, this is where you need to go to. And when you are done, if you complete the course successfully, you're one of the 1% of the 1% that finishes the course. I believe that you're going to get this badge, one of these badge, not these other ones, not just what it makes. I just like the way it looks. I'm a designer anyway, so I like making things look beautiful or punchy, you say. All right, so let's get back to this. QBuilder.aws. This is what you need to do. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. I'll put it in my URL bar so I can redirect my browser to that point. And based on how crazy or traumatized MTN is feeling at the moment, you should get it as quick as possible. Well, for you that are just joining and you've not created an account, you need to create an account. You can't sign in, you need to create an account. Sign in is for those that already registered to the program. So create a free account. So I will do just that. No, I won't create an account. Sorry, I already have an account. Yeah, that's for you to create an account. Makes it up and paid. So I'm going to sign in, and hopefully I don't reveal any of my deep secrets. Oh yeah, thankfully I did not. Yeah. Now this is where the problem usually comes from. This stuff always stays like crazy. Yeah. Oh, MTN has been reasonable today. Glory be to God. Oh yeah. So once you log in, you'll be shown this page. This is where you call the learner dashboard. So you can see where they have my courses. These are the courses I'm currently taking. I have completed the AWS Cloud Course Cloud Practitioner, and then this is in progress. This is the one you are taking. We intended you guys to take this one, but we realized that there are hardware limitations to this particular course. It's a full-blown game in the browser. Like it's a lot of 3D renderings, and that could hinder some people who are not using such PCs that could handle some of these things. And just like we know, everybody has to start from somewhere. You can not all start with $1 million PC. Yeah. So we said, you know what? Let's just look for something that is also doable, that could teach you as much as you need to know to get started and would not give you any problem. In fact, you can do this course on your mobile phone if you don't have a PC. But at some point, you might want to get a PC, yeah. So, but everybody might not need to start with one. So, how do you get this course over here? Well, when you sign up for the new guys, uh, you would not see anything here. You will need to come down to the browser courses place where you would be able to search for the course. Well, you could go the long route of trying to find it yourself, but AWS offers several courses couple ones, and that route might leave you scratching your head, and you might be cussing out yourself like, what's going on? Life is not supposed to be this hard. So what I recommend is you copying this or just in AWS Cloud Practitioner. I would leave this in the description or whatever, wherever I post this, most likely YouTube. I will leave this in description, and you just need to go down here and search. All right, so when you go down here to search, you hit enter, and that should bring a couple of, you see, even this one I'm searching comes with several courses. You see, we have most of them are in alternative languages. So if you speak Japanese, Korean, or Espanol, perhaps Greek or German, you might want to do that instead. But for me, that I don't, I'm not yet in tune with those. And I speak just English, which I even struggle with. I will stick to English. But just letting you know that in case you speak any of Thai or Portuguese, the Lord has provided you with options. Good. This is what you need to get. This is what you need to do. So what I will, there's not even option with to filter this. Well, just find this AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials without any of the other languages. This is the way you need to enroll in. So I'm going to tap that, and that should open up a page. Well, I might be seeing something differently from yours. Why? Because I already registered. When you were just coming here for the first time, you would not see resume where you left off, because it makes sense. You are not resuming anything, it's just enrolling. You would see a big button of this that says enroll, and maybe something start learning now. I think enroll stays here. So let me just say resume where you left off, and that will route you to the course platform where you would be spending the next 6 hours of your time in several time blocks here. And this is the course. This is where you need to be. Introduction to AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials. During modules 1 to 10, so we have 10 modules there. We have 10 modules. You'll build your cloud knowledge about AWS cloud concepts and every other thing you need to know. What's cloud computing? This is a session on cloud computing where they will just like give you the basics. So it's videos. I would advise that if you are having issues with data, I'm not saying everybody's having issues with data. I'm just saying in case there's Wi-Fi in Unilearning, if you don't know, you can go there and then watch these videos in your time. But I would just recommend that you spend at least 30 minutes on this every day for the next 1 month. And then you see a couple of things. Their explanations is essential. So this is like the basics. And once you are done, you would be given, I think there's final assessments. Yeah, so you will get to be assessed, and then you take a quiz, and I think exams, and you need to pass it. This are this is the percentage. So for the total exams, you have 20% of the cloud concept, security and compliance 25%, technology 33%, billing and pricing 16%. You would. So what they're saying is based on this, you need to know how to allocate your time, which means you need to spend more time. In case you are spending more time in cloud concept and security and compliance, you realize that if you're writing the exam, 33% goes to technology. So whatever you do here, if you miss this large chunk, you've missed it. Yeah. So and this pays 16%. That's where it's good to know like how many how much percentage of the total exam weight each section carries. So there's a minimum passing score is 70%. So in case you are doing this, I hope that you are aiming for 95, 99%. In fact, you're aiming for 150%, because it's always good to shoot above the moon so that whatever happens, you're landing on the moon. You get. So this is the course, and this is what it takes. I believe this has been helpful. If you're having any problems, that's why we have a cloud group. You can always drop it there. I will drop the form also in case you have signing up. I want to do, you just hit me up. TL draw. Let me go back to where I was earlier. So that's it. That's the entire thing that you need to know to use this course skill builder. AWS. But one other thing I also want to mention is we'll be meeting. We said 2 weeks since the day of resumption. 2 weeks for a, a review, like hear what you guys are having as problems, and so if I can help. So every 2 weeks of since we started, we've been meeting. So that means we meet twice. But we're also considering making it every week. It's not going to take long. Just like it could be a WhatsApp call, it could be a Google Meet call. Just like to hear your struggles, just like to hear what you're learning, to see if there's any way we can help as captains, myself and my co-captain, to able to be there. So thank you so much for uh, being on this call. Once again, my name is Joshua, and it's nice to have you join the bootcamp. Don't ask why my mouth is open. It's just a wrongly timed picture. Once again, welcome to the AWS Bootcamp. I hope to see you on the finish line. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Oh, yeah, you can like and subscribe. This is a shameless plug. I'm plugging myself in. Yeah, you can like and subscribe to this channel. I should be posting this to the AWS channel. Yeah, like and subscribe, please. Please. Bye. Bye.